Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome to Downward Dog Rising. I'm going to show you Pilates Tricep dip facing back. I'm going to approach from the back of the chair. Going to the top, taking a step, making sure my head clears the fan. Palms reach down on the pedals. Shoulders must stay down away from ears. You don't want to injure the shoulder joint. Heels in Pilates V stance. Chest rises up. Scoop abdominal wall in from pubic bone to navel. And shoulder blades float down your back. Chest is open. Point those elbows behind you. Very important tip. Never allow shoulders to dip lower than your elbows. You can really damage your shoulder socket if you do so. We're in our shoulder girdle. Shoulders must be in line with elbows or slightly higher, no lower than 90 degrees. Core is strong. Lift your heart, heels together. 4, exhale. 3, exhale. 2 more, and last one. Also, never bottom out, never ride the pedal down to the floor because your elbows will go way higher than your shoulders. Much better to exit from behind. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in doing private Pilates training online with me, check out downwarddogrising.com. Peace, everyone. Thank you. Bye.